bit because the wind is too much hitting my face. Good evening, everyone. I'm in Chinatown right now, Wednesday, February 22nd, 2023, and you can see a snowstorm now. It says it feels like -11 with the wind chill, and I'm gonna walk towards so this is Chinatown right here. I'm gonna walk towards what do you call downtown and to some nice areas, Dundas Square, for example. A streetcar is working. Dundas Square, so like Young and Dundas. This is Dundas Street I'm walking on right now, and I'll just continue walking. We're gonna pass some nice areas. If you like, you can skip towards more interesting places, like even towards the end, like Dundas Square, for example. But we're gonna pass the Art Gallery of Ontario, and but I'm gonna try to see how far I can go, because it's cold, right? My hands might freeze. Oh, I'll show you around a bit, because if I'm going too fast you can't see. So this is Chinatown, and like I said, feel free to skip to interesting parts of the video if you like. And I think they said we're gonna get around 15 centimeters of snow. That's half a foot. And they said it can get icy, so dangerous for driving, even walking. And maybe some of us in Ontario might lose power. So the weather advisory asked to prepare for that. But sorry, the video is shaking because I'm walking, as you can see. But I'll try to make it as less shaky as possible. Oh, this looks... I don't know what this place is. Looks new. I think that used to be the Italian embassy or something, but now I'm not sure. Oh, it's just Bank of China right there. It's been there for a long time. This grocery store has been there too for a long time, at least like 15 years or more. So it's quite cold. I'll have to switch my hands as I walk, because that's one downtown condo building, the tall building you can see. And the Art Gallery of Ontario, AGO, is coming up ahead. You can see the building on the right after this color light. So this, I don't know if you can see, it's Beverly Street and Dundas Street. Oh, the Grange Park is over there behind this building. And this is I think you can see the writing. It says Art Gallery of Ontario. So let me cross the street.
While he was alive.
So the good thing is the snow is kind of snowing slowly, kind of, not like very heavy snow. You can see AGO. Oops. Now the snow is really hitting my eyes. have to lower my cap. So I'm wearing a cap in the snow, so the snow won't hit my face a lot. So Art Gallery of Ontario. Looks like some people. We were advised to stay home if possible, if we don't really need to go out. Some houses, downtown, townhouses. Let me see how far I can go. I don't know if I can make it to Dundas Square. Oh, Art Gallery of Ontario. But at least wanted to show you some snow falling. Call it a winter storm, but I guess not a crazy one, not like 1 foot of snow, but just half a foot, so still, I guess you could call it. Oh, Art Gallery of Ontario. Once I came here to an art exhibition of paintings by Leonardo da Vinci. I hope I remember the name. I used to know that name very well. Yeah, I think that's his name. So, this Art Gallery of Ontario building is ending, but I think there's probably like one more building of the AGO, Art Gallery of Ontario. After this, there are quite a few buildings, and the streetcar, as you can see. Let me show you. It's less shaky when I stop. So. Oh, look, did you see the wheelchair access? Pretty good. The bus driver opened the ramp and it's going back inside automatically. So let me continue as much as I can. Oh, when the red lights are flashing, drivers are supposed to stop, and when the doors are open. Whoa, the snow is hitting my face now. So that's downtown towards the lake area. CN Tower, you can't see it though because of the snow. Oh, this is some church here. Oh, that's that tall building we saw. It's a nice pizza place, Pizza Yellow. And it's freezing now, fingers. Let me switch my hands. I'm surprised people are still outside in like restaurants. I'll show you around the sidewalk. Subway. This sushi place has been here for a long time. Now we're getting to the more interesting areas of downtown. On the street. Oops, my lips are freezing too now. Oh, this is called Village by the Grange, and it's pretty nice. I used to work. You see those condos. There's an office building, and we had a good time. Come here for like lunch or dinner. pretty nice. And the AGO students and people who study there too come. I think CN Tower should be right there, but you can't see it. Covered with snow. They're probably building a condo, I guess, or something. Yeah, condo, tribute communities. Oh, this is a police station right here. You can see the police sign straight ahead. Police. So that building you see right in front, the tall building, at the base of it is the St. Patrick's something. Wow, the wind is blowing the snow to my face quite a bit now. And my face is freezing. I'm gonna try my best to make it to Dundas Square. Dundas Square is kind of like Times Square in New York. I'll show you a bit more. Wow, the wind is blowing quite a bit. Like a powerful place. Stop a bit because the wind is too much hitting my face. Take a small break. Wow, the dog is out too. This is the police station and Tim Hortons right there. So can you see far ahead like a building in the middle with some light? That is Dundas Square. But sorry, I don't think I can make it. It's very windy and very cold, so I have to head back home. I'll show you this intersection, then I'll turn back. It's University Avenue, that big avenue you see there, the big one, and Dundas. I'm walking on Dundas, so I'll show you that, then I'll turn back. It's way too cold. Can you see the wind blowing? It's all hitting my face now. Let me go in this area. I think this is a Mr. Sub or something. Yeah, Mr. Sub. And like I said, at the base of this building is the St. Patrick's subway. I'm going to try to catch a streetcar and head back home. Or I might just walk home without holding the camera. I should feel better. Can carve my face a bit more, and so I'll show you this intersection. Oh, you can see the subway sign, that red sign. Subway sign. Show you around. This is University Avenue right here. It goes for the hill turn, you can see there. Everything's covered in snow.